respected Tala, the village elders, members of the respective youth clubs, my ministry staff, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. History is dependent on the new generation to write a new chapter. And this afternoon, that is exactly what we are here to do. To mark the start of the new and exciting chapter in the lives of our beloved young Fijians. Today I am very pleased to hand over to a total of 69 well-deserved youths the farming assistance such as vegetable seedlings, tools, funding for the land preparation. And I'm also told that these youth had been occupying their time wisely by participating in rugby tournaments, faith-based duties, fundraising, and carrying out the community services, just to name a few. Therefore, this program will definitely add value to what you have been already doing. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, many young Fijians made their living in tourism, as we all are aware of, which was the industry hit the hardest by COVID-19 pandemic. And we will have to see how we can assist them. I'm told that most of them have come back to their villages and settlements. And over the past few months, I have led a delegation from my ministry to even the most remote parts of Fiji to hand over this farming assistance to our young Fijians. Apart from the mainland of Tailevu, we have reached out to the places such as Ovalau, Tavuni, Rotuma, and Kandavu. It has been amazing to note the interest this farming initiative has generated from our youths. During the challenging times such as this, it is easy to lose hope. However, I'm here personally to remind our young Fijians to remain positive. I have conveyed this message before, and I'll reiterate again. And I urge our youths to learn new skills and continue to upgrade yourselves. My ministry is also happy to be part of your community development. And I have also observed in the recent months that our youths are now realizing the value of the land, rivers and seas as the foundation for their lives, and therefore be used as an income generator for our youths to meet their needs. Above all, this has also been a success through the active participation of our youth groups. The Fijian government has given them the confidence in the rollout of grants such as this in their local area. And my ministry wishes to encourage youth clubs to fully utilize the unused land for agriculture purposes. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my appreciation and acknowledgement of the other stakeholders who have provided assistance to help these youth as well. With these few words, I wish to congratulate you all and wish you all in the future endeavors, and may I take this opportunity in wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Naka and thank you.
Merry